Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to insert a vertical line in Google Docs, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to insert a vertical line in Google Docs. When you are in Google Docs, just click the point where you want to add the vertical line. Okay, for example, here. After that, click Insert, and then Drawing, and then New. After that, select Line icon, and then hold Shift and draw the line. And here you can customize the line. For example, here, line color, okay, green, and then here line weight, okay, for example 16. And when you are happy with that, just click save and close. Okay, now the line will be inserted to the Google Docs. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to insert a vertical line in Google Docs. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.